We're going to do a quick unboxing of the Lit Garage Solo setup. What you're going to see when you open up your box, instructions right there on the top. In your instructions is a bill of materials, all the materials that you should be receiving with each individual box. You'll notice that on your bill there is an A, B, C, D, and then referencing each one of the boxes inside the box, your A's and your B's and your C's. So it's important to note that as we open this up, let's make sure we received all of our respective pieces. So all of our A products, we should have 3 of those, and then all of our B products, the surface mount brackets, we should have 3 of those. All the rest of the parts, they're down underneath these surface mount brackets down here. So our next piece, the C's, are the motion sensors. So we're gonna pull those pieces out. There you are right there, the C's, 3 motion sensors. And then our D as in David should be our splitter. So right here is the splitter, the power splitter, which we'll describe where we're going to use that here in just a second. And then we have our light bulb to outlet adapter. We have our sensor remote control. And then our last 2 pieces are our hardware bags, one for the mounting hardware and one for the zip ties for routing the wires. We're going to show you what comes in each one of these boxes as well and how they get assembled together. So in each one of our lighting fixtures, each one of your fixtures comes with a chain and a mount if you're mounting somewhere other than your garage. We're just going to set those pieces aside, take this lighting fixture out, and show you exactly what comes with each one of the lighting fixtures. Every one of them come pre-wired, ready to plug directly into your wall or your outlet. And you can see that right there. This is a 10-foot cord, easily run between any standard garage, your 12 to 20-foot garage setups, easily run between any outlet in that garage, respectively. And then as we flip this piece over, you can see right here, there is a cap that's inside the fixture. We're gonna remove that cap, and this is where our motion sensor will actually mount. So we open up one of our motion sensors, and you can see how easy this is to do. I open up the sensor, and I'm just gonna screw that into the very same place I just removed that cap from. And now that lighting fixture is done, and it's ready to be installed. Now the install goes almost just as quick. We grab one of our surface mount brackets. We're going to mount this bracket using the sheetrock screws. These are just your twist-in sheetrock screws. Very easy for us to grab a screwdriver, poke it into the sheetrock, screw it in, and within seconds we have a mounting location for our bracket. The bracket right here, you can see this shape allows us to clip into this fixture very quick and easily. So we're going to imagine that this bracket was mounted to our ceiling like so, and as we come, you can see in the fixture itself there are 2 grooves on both sides of the fixture. We're gonna grab this hook. You can see the hook that's right here on the side of the bracket. We're gonna grab this hook and we're gonna hook that in one side. And right here now, I am hooked in pretty solid to this respective piece, but we're gonna lock it in. You can hear the pop, that pop right there. And now I am locked into this fixture. Very difficult for it to fall off. With your surface mount bracket comes screws. Those screws will mount into each side of the bracket to ensure that this bracket is locked onto your fixture. So the surface mount bracket mounts to your ceiling using the sheetrock anchors. You then clip your bracket into your fixture, run your wire over to your respective port or outlet, and you are done. That's how quick and simple it is to install these commercial high output lighting fixtures. Now, a piece to note, all of these pieces that we include, if I went to any of your local big box stores, even your online box store, I'm not going to get a pre-wired extension onto most fixtures. The motion sensor that we're including with each one of our pieces, every single one of them will not come with those motion sensors included with the piece. Your surface mount brackets, rarely ever will you find options that have surface mount brackets. We are putting together an entire bundle to help you have the best option possible. Commercial lighting, quick installation, making your life as simple and as straightforward as possible.